Hi, it's Sean here with the latest Universal Studios news. Despicable Me and the Minions appear to be expanding out into the park, with Shrek 4D rumored to be replaced with a new Minions-themed move and walk ride, which looks to be similar to interactive rides like Buzz Lightyear and Men in Black Alien Attack, and appears to take place at the FillingCon. Nothing has been announced or confirmed yet, though. The recently closed Monster Cafe is also blocked off with Minions-themed construction, so that may be replaced by a Minions-based restaurant, with the new Minions movie coming out this summer. Universal is definitely trying to make the most of some of their most popular characters. The Universal Superstar Parade has ended, however, it's likely to be brought back with different characters and a new name. The Revenge of the Mummy the ride is being refurbished and has been closed down temporarily. It is expected to reopen later this summer. The Pterodon Flyers and Carousel and If I Ran the Zoo play area reopen after brief refurbishments. The Hogwarts Express is being refurbished too now, but it should be back open soon. The price of Prime parking has increased by more than $10 and is now $50. General parking was kept at its original $27 price, and a petition is going around to bring back the classic Jaws ride to the new Epic Universe park opening in 2025. The original ride closed in 2012 to make room for a Harry Potter expansion. That's the latest Universal Studios news. Be sure to subscribe for the latest updates.